Assalamu alaikum and welcome to current tutorials. Okay, in this section we will discuss synonyms of advantages, disadvantages, more and less. So let's start with the advantages. Advantages is same as benefits. Next one is pros, merits, favorable conditions, you can say. Disadvantages is same as like a shortcoming, cons and demerits. More is like a massive countless. It's more like as availability. Next one can be plenty. Numerous. Sorry. And the last one is plenty and numerous. But less is but lack of, shortage, unavailability, and next one is dearth. Next one can be deficiency, and scarcely, and the last one can be insufficient. So that's all for the day. Please do subscribe to our channel and follow our playlist for the more videos. Thank you.